goodness, see, everybody's running at skater to do shopping because they say it's going to snow. It's like crazy. America, especially Atlanta, hey, when they hear about snow, when it's there, snow is going to snow, you see everywhere. Oh my God. Now let's go to farmer's market, okay? Now it's getting dark. Welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's another brand new day. Yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along. I'm going to do shopping. I'm going to farmers market and Sam Club. Okay, I just want to buy a few stuff, not a lot, just a few, because today, probably in the evening today or tomorrow, they say it's going to snow. We are expecting snow in Atlanta and the kids are excited. I just want to quickly go before the snow starts. If the snow is going to snow, that's what they say. You know, all these meteorologists, they say that it's going to snow, and we are so excited. Let's hope so. Finger crossed. Let's hope it snow. But before then, let me quickly go buy some few stuff, because here in Atlanta, when it snows, everywhere will be closed. Like the store, the schools, everywhere will be closed. Even though it's 1 inch of snow, they will just lock up everywhere, because they say that their road, Atlanta road, is not meant for snow. That is why anytime it snows, they will just like close everything. You see people going hard to do shopping, to buy bread, make egg at home. Everybody will be rushing. Let me quickly go and buy water, especially if we don't have water. Let me go and buy water and other stuff, okay? I'll see you guys when we get there, okay? Okay guys, we are here at Sam Club. It's cold. It's freezing cold right now. It's about to snow, guys. Let me quickly go and get some stuff. Oh, it's cold. Guys, this is crazy, guys. The store is packed. We don't even have cats. Okay, my son is going to go grab some cats. There's no cat outside. Like, when I told you guys, when it's going to snow in Atlanta, it's like everybody's going to a tug of war, because of snow. Let's go inside. Okay, Eddie is coming with a cat. Let's show you guys inside the store. Let me get me. I need to get my
Air services?
all the way down there.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's go buy some tissue paper.
gonna grab one. Yeah, baby.
Oh shit.
Is it on this side? Let's see what it is.
Guys, it's freezing cold. Now we are just going to head to farmers market. Yo. Guys, oh my goodness, we done at Sam Club. Now we are heading to farmers market, guys. This store was so packed, guys. Oh my goodness, see, everybody's running at a skater to do shopping because they say it's going to snow. It's like crazy. America, especially Atlanta, hey, when they hear about snow, when it's there, snow is going to snow, you see everywhere. Oh my God. Now let's go to farmers market. Okay, now it's getting dark. It's just after 3 in the afternoon. It's getting dark and it's freezing cold. My hands are cold. Whew, I'm not going to buy a lot in farmers market. I'm not going to buy a lot. Ooh. Okay guys, I'm here at farmers market. Let me just go inside. Let me show you. Okay, guys, I am done from farmers market. Right now, I want to quickly stop at pizza. I want to buy pizza because by the time I get home, I don't want to cook anything. I don't want to cook. Let me just buy pizza, then we'll just eat pizza for dinner. I'm just going to that Riverside Pizza. Ooh. Let's go buy some pizza. Oh, dude, it's freezing cold, guys. Hi. Hello. Can I have 3 pepperoni? Huh?
1 pepperoni.
3. Yeah, I've got my pizza. I'm good to go. We will park just now. Hey guys, I am finally back at home. I am finally back at home. Guys, this was a hectic shopping, guys. This store was like packed, crazy. Everybody's like, "Ooh," because of it's going to snow tonight or maybe tomorrow. Atlanta, when they say snow, when they hear snow, everybody would be like, hey, all the chefs, the food store are running hot. Okay, guys, at this point I'm tired. I just want to put this stuff away. Let me show you guys all some of these thoughts. Okay, these are the water. We bought 1, 2, 3, 4 crates of water. Then over here, the cake snack. This one there, this one, this ginger tea, plantain chips. Then some orange juice, jalapeno. Then I bought some this plantain, yam, bought 3 pineapple, then more plantain, then it's onions, orange, stash. This is stash. Then oranges. I'm gonna be doing like a 7 days detox for myself. That's why I bought some oranges. I'm gonna be drinking lot of juice, homemade juice, and detoxing juice, and smoothie. Then this is they have fresh okra. Then I bought what is it called, beets also for my juice. I bought 2 of these. Then ginger, yeah, ginger. Guys, I love ginger. Then this one is fruit snack for the kids. Later we're gonna eat this pizza. Okay, I think Eddie already ate 1 box. Eddie ate 1 box for himself. Grapes, celery for celery for juice. Then tangerine, tomatoes, grapes, apple, green apple for juice also. Then I have some more apples here that I will be doing more juice. Lemon. This one is what is it called? Lettuce. And we have that one. Then these are the meat, chicken, shrimps. Then what else? I have catfish in there. Then I bought some fish. I bought this type of fish. I bought two. I'm going to use it to cook black soup. Then tilapia fish. Yeah, I have banana. This one is for my juice. I bought some fresh turmeric. Then these crackers, animal crackers for the kids. Then yeah, I bought a Lucky Charm cereal, and this one is kind of what is it? Cookies. Then spicy noodles. Over here I have gari, jasmine rice. I want to eat jasmine rice. Then this all-purpose seasoning, stockfish, rice, and tissue paper. Where is the toilet paper? You guys already put it?
No, it's over there by the stairs.
I bought toilet tissue paper too. Okay, that's it, guys. Now let me put the things away. First of all, let me give the kids their pizza there, especially Abigail. She says
Hi.
hi. Okay, let me put the things away, guys. Then I'll eat. I think, yeah, let me put the things away. this one here. Tomorrow we'll throw that away. Okay guys, I think I would like to end the vlog here guys. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Ooh. Hold on. The Lord is my strength. Today is Saturday. If you are watching this, today is Saturday. Tomorrow is going to be Sunday. We're still waiting for the snow. We can't wait for it to snow. For me, I don't think it's going to snow. But the kids are so excited. They want it to snow. Oh, amazing. Housewife. Housewife. Amazing. Okay guys, that's it. I think we've come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much everyone for watching my videos, for watching my vlogs. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay nothing. Not even like this dime, penny, cent. You're not paying. Nothing's free. Subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, my fellow content creators, thank you so much for the love, for the support. I really appreciate every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate you all. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Bye guys. Bye. Stay safe. And I am hoping for snow. If it's snow, I'll let you guys know. If it did not snow, I'll let you guys know in my next vlog. Okay, bye guys. Bye.